That guy's doing it as well.
Is it cool?
No, yeah.
How long does the camera go for?
Quite a while.
Oh,
Why are we
God.
not going in that corner?
I think it's the left side. Bloody hell.
That's shocking. Look at that, look at that.
Hey, we could send this into the news and make some money. Herefordshire flooding. I haven't.
And Microsoft.
You're driving on it. I think it's so many people in the car.
It's shocking.
She got that waterfall earlier. That's insane.
It was through that bit anyway.
Probably fine. Where are we?
Halfway there. Yeah, I don't think I've been playing cricket for it, have I?
Where are we now?
Still filming?
Yeah. You didn't think the worst one.
Oh god. Look at this. Probably the wet.
You
Yeah, my feet,
a piece of pasta.
driving with bare feet,